dances, even right here on Walking Street, just like the one we're going to show you tonight. I'm standing with Sandeep Bai, the event manager. Hello, sir.
Hi.
So you're managing this group in Thailand.
Absolutely.
Tell us about the group.
These are basically tribal drummers. They live deep within the forests in India. And the basic principle that they follow is live and let live. They live in the forest, they hunt, they drum and get into the forest, drum there in the forest and get the honey out of the trees. And the reason they use drumming to get the honey is because there are tigers in the forest, Indian forests. So they drive away the tigers to get the honey, but then they coexist with in the forest with the animals. So this is basically a very traditional Indian group, and we have been performing all around the world. And thanks to the government of India that we are here in Thailand, performing in front of a very eager crowd in Thailand.
Which part of India are they from?
They're from Karnataka.
And where is that in India?
This is southern part of India. Bangalore happens to be the capital of Karnataka.
Okay, all right. How many people are in the group?
12 people in the group together.
How long have they been performing?
They've been performing for the last. They actually grow up with this kind of this thing because it gets passed on from generation to generation. This is they make a living out of this, and they must have been drumming for the last 10 years or so now.
They are supported by the Indian government.
They're supported by the Indian government in a big way, which wants to spread its culture right now. And we've been traveling, thanks to the Indian government, we've been traveling all over the world now, showcasing Indian culture. And this is not the last, but the beginning, because we're going to be coming back to Thailand with a lot more.
How many countries have they been to?
We have been to 19 countries already.
Okay, all over the world.
All over the world. And we just got back from Korea, and we should be getting it to Brazil now, because in Brazil drumming is big.
What do you call this kind of drum playing?
This is called as Dolu Kunita. Dolu means the drums. Dolu means the drums, and Kunita means you dance while drumming. So they're dancing drummers.
Dancing drummers.
They're called as dancing drummers. And this, in fact, has another part to it, which is called as the tiger dance. So when the people drum, there's a tiger dance to it. We haven't brought it along this time around.
The real tiger?
There is not real tiger. These people with body painting.
I thought you would get a real tiger to dance.
This is an extremely traditional form of dance in India, showcasing the true Indian culture.
Where are they going from here?
We're back to Bangalore from here, and then we should be flying into Brazil.
All right.
Rio.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.